Hello, everybody. I'm Kim, your positive shift navigator. Have you ever stopped to question the beliefs that shape your life? Some beliefs uplift us, while others hold us back. But where do they come from? And more importantly, can we change them? Your belief system starts developing the moment you're born. It's shaped by experiences, the people around you, and even your own inner dialogue. Many of these beliefs are stored deep in your subconscious mind. Over time, they become automatic, reinforced by patterns and evidence, until you stop questioning them. But what happens when a belief no longer serves you? When it creates resistance, fear, or self-doubt, it's time to take a closer look. Awareness is the first step. Ask yourself, has anyone ever told me I wasn't capable of something? Has anyone ever labeled me in a way that stuck? Has someone ever told me I'd never achieve something? Did I have an experience that led me to believe something negative about myself? Have I told myself a limiting belief over and over? Was I taught that something was right or wrong without questioning it? Once you identify where a belief came from, you have the power to shift it. But here's the key. You can't just erase belief. You have to replace it with a new, empowering one. There are many ways to shift beliefs, and the method you choose depends on how deeply rooted it is. Here are a few powerful techniques. EFT tapping. By tapping on specific meridian points while focusing on a limiting belief, you can release emotional blocks and rewire your mind. Affirmations. Positive statements spoken in the present tense can reshape your mindset over time. Visualization techniques. Imagine yourself fully embracing a new belief. Vision boards can also reinforce your new reality. Remember, change doesn't happen overnight. Some beliefs will take longer to shift than others. But with patience, consistency, and the right tools, you can rewrite your story, one belief at a time. If a belief is deeply rooted and causing significant challenges, working with a professional can be beneficial. Which belief are you ready to change? And if you need guidance, I'm here to help.